Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a short and quick summary of a lot of things I've discussed so far on this channel. But the main point is how to leverage the internet to get more restoration jobs. Now, of course, there are a lot of things you can do offline to get more jobs. But when it comes to leveraging the internet, how to do it online, this post that I've written 2 months ago by the end of the year of 2023 will serve as a great guide for those who have no idea how to do it and want to get started. So, throughout this post, you'll first learn why the internet works and then how to leverage it. But the main point is using Google to your advantage and getting customers from Google, getting customers who are searching for different types of keywords. We call them keywords, but basically search terms that are like water damage restoration Los Angeles, which is a random one I picked. But there are a lot of other terms like restoration company Los Angeles, um, water damage Los Angeles, water damage repair Los Angeles, a lot of different variations. And hundreds and hundreds of people look for these. Depending on how big your city is, it may be even more, like hundreds of people. For example, in Los Angeles, I think I have that as an example in this post. I have one city, yeah, it's Portland actually, but Los Angeles is even bigger than Portland, so the numbers are also at least the same, if not bigger. So, um, basically, how do we know that hundreds of people look for this? Because Google will actually tell us. In Google, specifically Google Ads, you have this tool called Keyword Planner, and it tells you how many people look for these types of keywords, so you can plan your advertising. And a lot of these tools get that data from Google. And we know using these tools that a lot of people look for these keywords. Now, why would you care about these keywords? Like, why would I care about that? Why would I care about Google? Well, because if you see here, there are four, four companies, four different websites paying to get displayed in front of this person looking for water damage restoration Los Angeles. Now, note that these types of terms, specifically knowing that, knowing the niche, can cost hundreds of dollars just to get a single click from a person looking for water damage restoration Los Angeles. So I believe the data is also displayed in the image here. Yeah, specifically in Portland, $91 it costs just to get a click from a person looking for water damage restoration in Portland. In Los Angeles, it is higher. So why would somebody pay just to get a click that costs that much? Because the company is making back way more. And this is why it works, because companies wouldn't be advertising if they weren't making money. Maybe one would advertise, but four definitely wouldn't. And there are also other types of ads displayed on Google, just not in this very case. There are also local services ads that companies run. And also here, you usually find another Google business profile that's running an ad too. So you would have four companies, one of which is a sponsored result. The other three would be normal Google Maps results, Google business profiles. And basically what the goal is to get displayed on this first page when somebody looks for this. Water damage restoration Los Angeles. Now, 50 to 60% of all people will look and go to these three companies right here. Google business profiles. And they will call one of these three. There is a smaller percentage that may look more businesses, look for other companies too. But 50 to 60% of people usually go to these three results. And then around 30 to, or you can verify all these claims in this post, and then the data that I've used, I also link to the source. You can hear the number one website, which is this site right here, gets around 30%, 40% of all clicks. So let's say 100 people look for this every month. This site will get 30 to 40 out of those 100. Then other 50 would go here. And then the rest would spread throughout the ads and the other sites. And that's it. Now, the industry standard conversion rate, I discussed this here. How does this relate to money? So I used a simple calculation. Um, and here, out of 100 clicks, 5 people will call you. And then the close rate, let's say 50%, would mean that out of 5 people that call you, that would be 2 to 3 sales per month. And how much is an average water damage job for you? So, and this, you can use this calculation in whatever city you're based in. So let's say that the company is here and here. So you would get 30 out of 100, and then additional 15 out of those 100. So that's 45 people per month. Just from this keyword. There are other variations, and the same company can rank for multiple variations. So out of 45, 5%, what's the, I don't know that math right away, but let's use 45 times 5%. That's like 225. You would get 2 calls basically. And then you would get 1 customer if the close rate is 50%. And that's what? 3,000, 5,000, even more dollars. And that's just from this one keyword. And again, there are hundreds of others that you can show up for. And this is how search engine marketing equates to more money in your pocket. And this is just water damage. I didn't even discuss mold. I didn't even discuss fire damage. If you do also other things like air duct cleaning, asbestos, lead, and other stuff, then there's a lot of different ads and keywords you can rank for, and the ads you can run, and the site can rank for in your Google business profile too. So basically what you want to achieve is to be here, and also if you want to run ads and want fast results, because getting here takes time, you can run ads too. And you can take a lot of the spots on this first page and significantly increase your chance of getting that customer by being here, and by being here too. And this post also discussed more ideas, but this is pretty much in short what this post discusses. Feel free to read the rest of the post and go in more detail. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. Other than that, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye-bye.